Hello guys. Welcome to the Masood Tech. Today we will talk about the 5-step guide to become an Android developer. So you want to become an Android developer and don't know where to start? Here is my 5-step guide to becoming an Android developer, jam-packed with action items after each step. Table of contents. Number 1. Learn a programming language. Number 2. Learn Android platform fundamentals. Number 3. Get to know the tools. Number 4. Contribute to open source. Number 5. Share your learnings. Number 1. Learn a programming language. Learning and knowing a programming language is essential in software engineering. There are 2 primary languages used in Android development, Java and Kotlin. If you're thinking about what to learn, Kotlin is a first-class language for writing Android apps. Why? It has an extensive list of features that help developers with day-to-day coding. It reduces the tedious boilerplate code developers have to write, meaning increased productivity. It helps to write safer code, which means fewer mistakes and crashes. And it is also Java language compatible, meaning developers can call Java-based code from Kotlin, or vice versa. When learning Kotlin, there are 3 pillars you should focus on: syntax and idioms, OOP, object-oriented programming, data structures and algorithms. Number 2. Learn Android platform fundamentals. Android development is impossible without knowing the fundamentals of its platform. The platform itself consists of multiple different components. But the essentials to start developing apps include: Number 1. App components, views, and intents. Number 2. Context. Number 3. Handling app configuration changes. Number 4. Unit testing. Number 5. Multithreading. Number 6. Security. Number 7. Navigation. Once you've completed the essentials, the good-to-know topics are dependency injection and third-party libraries, and so on. Number 3. Get to know the tools. 3 most important tools every Android developer should know how to use: Android Studio as your go-to IDE, Git as your go-to version control system, and Gradle as your go-to build automation tool. Android Studio is the official IDE, integrated development environment, for building Android apps. It's based on top of IntelliJ's IDEA, and has tons of developer tools and features that help you write Android apps for mobile phones, TVs, watches, auto, etc. Version control systems, VCS, are designed to track changes in the code base, coordinate work among developers, and allow them to reference older versions later. There are multiple types of VCS that exist, but the most popular one is Git. The popular repository hosting service for Git is GitHub. Gradle is a build automation tool to build, compile, and publish apps. It's already built in Android Studio. Number 4. Contribute to open source. Contributing to open source projects might be a very time-consuming task, but it has some important outcomes that beginners can benefit from. It helps you learn more about projects, improves your coding skills, and helps the community and your peers get to know you. This recognition can bring a lot of opportunities in your career. You don't need to select a big, established open source project. It could be a small project that caught your eye on GitHub. In fact, most projects on GitHub are open to the public, therefore you can contribute to them. There are many ways to contribute. Number 1. Found a bug in a project? Open an issue. Number 2. Found a typo in the documentation, or there is an undocumented method? Open a pull request with the fix. Number 3. A project has some open pull requests? Review them. Number 4. Have a solution for one of the open issues? Open a pull request with the fix or new feature. And so on. Number 5. Share your learnings. Did you build a Hello World app? Share it. Share everything from your perspective on Android development to where you seem to struggle most while learning to build apps. The biggest benefit of sharing at the beginning of your career is that it'll keep you accountable to code a little bit every day, thus learning something new every day. Most beginners drop out here because they feel alone in this journey. But the actual truth is, if you struggle, then there are others struggling too. Talk with others about your learning journey. One place to put yourself out there is Twitter. If you don't feel comfortable or shy putting yourself out there, start with Reddit, GDG local groups, Meetup, and share your experience there. When you join communities, it'll help you to overcome the fear of asking for help. Thus, help you to grow as a developer. Conclusion. The journey of becoming an Android developer usually begins with learning a programming language. Kotlin is a recommended language for Android app development. Then it goes to learning the Android platform fundamentals, understanding how an app communicates with the system itself, how the navigation is enforced, etc. After learning the fundamentals, it's time to start writing some code for an Android project. And it's impossible without knowing the tools that will help you write, publish, and share the source code. The essentials are Android Studio, Git, and Gradle. The last two steps are about accelerating and exposing you as a developer to the Android community. Contributing to open source projects help you to become familiarized with various code bases, write better code, and communicate with other contributors. Last, but not least, is sharing. Share your journey, learnings, and frustrations, because when you share, you keep yourself accountable to code a bit every day. And most importantly, to learn something new. Now go and start coding. Thanks for watching. If you don't subscribe at my channel, please subscribe it.